Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to follow someone on ShopPay. So if you also want to follow someone on ShopPay, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open your ShopPay application. You can see over here, Shop application is opened. You're in the home page right now. Make sure you're logged into your account. All you have to do is scroll down and here you'll be able to find several stores. In order to follow the store, all you have to do is tap on the follow button that you can see right next to the name of the store. Or if you cannot find your favorite store over here, you can also search for it. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see right next to the home icon at the center of your screen at bottom. Now at the top, you'll be able to see a search bar. Tap on it. Now search for the store of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular store will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now at the top you'll be able to see the option for follow. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you just follow this store. So that is how you follow someone on ShopPay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.